Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today we're looking at a 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo X Limited 4x4. Here we go. So the Limited X is featured in velvet red pearl exterior, the black interior. It's offered by Lou Fusz Jeep in St. Louis, Missouri, with a sticker price of $52,620. As we take a look at the grill on the Jeep, as well as the blacked out badging. So throughout this vehicle, you'll see blacked out badging. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. We're trying to grow the channel. We appreciate your support. As we slide down the driver's side, you can see the blacked out side mirrors with LED turn indicators, the black roof rails, as well as the 20-inch alloy wheels, gloss black, 8x8-inch, wrapped with all-season radial tires. You can see the rear aerodynamic spoiler. Go ahead and give Adam a call. His number is listed below for additional information or to arrange a test drive. You can see the blacked out chrome dual exhaust tips. Again, the blacked out limited badging, Limited X badging, the Jeep badging, rear aerodynamic spoiler, shark fin antenna. As we slide out of the back and go down the passenger side, get a great look at the profile. You have a blacked side mirrors with LED turn indicators. Again, the gloss black wheels, they're 20-inch, body-colored door handles, as well as body-colored front and rear bumper. We'll check out the hood here in a moment. It is quite an interesting hood, sport hood. We have the Jeep Wave membership, by Xeon HID headlamps, dark headlamp bezel finish, granite crystal black grille, premium LED fog lights, daytime running lights, sport hood. As we dive into the interior, it's a 60/40 split fold-down rear seat, leather throughout. As we peer over the back seat, we'll show the cargo area in detail here in a moment. We have a panoramic split panel moonroof with a power sunshade. You can slide items in the back of the seats. That net holds things tight. Plus those hooks, you could put bags on that. That way it prevents the items from flying around. Both driver and passenger are power seats, power heated seats, power heated steering column or steering wheel, manual steering column, tilt telescoping. There again, you see the panoramic moonroof, fingertip controls on the steering wheel, paddle shifters, 8.4-inch touchscreen. We'll show that in detail here in a moment. Love the dark wood trim on the doors and across the dash. Additional power ports here in the back seat for your rear occupants, as well as you can control the climate on your feet or blowing up, filling the cabin. There's a center stack as well as the steering wheel. This vehicle is really well equipped. The Limited X is quite an interesting package. As we tilt back and show the panoramic moonroof with the sunshade closed. Panoramic moonroofs are really nice. So here's the driver's perspective, or the driver's side. One touch up and down windows, power side mirrors as we mentioned. Select terrain system, quadra-track, four-wheel drive, park view, rear backup camera, park sense, rear park assist with stop, instrument cluster, paddle shifters. It's a manual tilt telescoping steering column. Sport mode, keyless entry and go. Again, one touch power up and down windows, power side mirrors, paddle shifters, speed control, ready alert braking, electronic stability control, hill start assist, remote start, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, 9 amplified speakers with subwoofer, 506 watt amplifier. As we put the vehicle in reverse, you can see the backup camera and the dynamic grid lines, navigation, active noise control, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, Uconnect 4 navigation, and then again, it's an 8.4-inch color display, AC with automatic temperature control with dual zone climate, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, leather wrapped steering wheel and shift knob, LED lights throughout, illuminated cup holders, Can't really show those in the daylight. Deep tinted sunglass or sunscreen on your glass as we punch through the functionality of your touch screen, your navigation. Sirius XM Guardian Connect service, 1-year trial, 5-year subscription on the Traffic Plus, and 5-year subscription on the Travel Link. You can turn the touchscreen off with the push of a button. That comes in handy when you have passengers trying to sleep or rest their eyes. Additional power ports for the driver and the passenger, as well as a nice little storage cubby. Your key fob. 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot. Here's your drive mode, snow, mud, and auto, as well as traction control. This vehicle is really well equipped. Has our great packages. I try to give you as much information as I can so you can make an informed decision as we look at the double-decker center console. That really is handy, as well as your glove box with all of your owner's manuals. Again, the wood trim, the dark wood trim on the dash and the doors. Paddle shifters. So here's the capless fuel door, or fuel filler rather. You open the fuel door, you can see you don't have to remove a cap. You just take your fuel and go ahead and fill her up. As far as the cargo area is concerned, it's 36.3 cubic feet of storage. Fold the seats down, 68.3 cubic feet of storage. We have a full-size spare. We'll show you that in a minute. Power liftgate, trailer tow group 4, 7 and 4-pin wiring, rear load leveling. So when you load up the back end, it has air shocks that will level the load of the vehicle. Here's your full-size spare, and then you'll also have plenty of storage. You can keep blankets, jackets, gloves, items like that that you may use from time to time or want in there in case of emergency. Again, power tailgate. You can see the rear aerodynamic spoiler. As far as your engine is concerned, it's a 3.6-liter V6 24-valve VVT engine producing 293 horsepower. You can see all your fluid levels are easy to access. 8-speed automatic transmission, heavy-duty engine cooling, 18 city, 25 highway. There are those ports. That's part of the sport hood to allow heat out and cool air in. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Give us a like, thumbs up, and check out our other videos. Thank you so very much. We appreciate it.